What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. In today's trade, oh wait, is that right? No, it's this way. In today's trade recap, we are going to be going over the trades that I took, and well, yeah, I took a loss in the day anyway, so we'll go over bias and that anyway. So coming into today, if I go this right, so on the higher time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, we ended up having a 4-hour bearish revive gap up here. I just had drawn on it. I should have probably done this before I started recording, to be honest. But don't matter. So I had a forward gap up here, and then we had this LR down here as well. So if I get the sessions out, so we had London low, Asia low, and then we had this forward gap here as well as a full 4-hour bullish gap. So I was actually leaning kind of bearish on the day, until I ended up seeing this big spike upon market open. So we did have low resistance got it here and here. I thought these would be our draws for the day, but it looked like we just wanted to trade towards a forward gap. So when we had traded up to the forward gap, we'd started forming these 15-minute gaps here. So we had this 15-minute, and we had this 15-minute. Now I ended up taking a long off of this 15-minute. Just like mark it like that for now. So we ended up pushing up, just straight bullish, and then we had a wee pullback. Never ended up doing much. We tapped this 15-minute, left this 15-minute untouched, and then we ended up inversing this bullish 5-minute gap. This bullish 5-minute gap here. Now, to be honest, the only thing I see wrong with this trade is that we opened up a 30-minute at my stop loss, and we barely inversed the 5-minute. Other than that, we had an internal SMT here, tapped the 15-minute, and obviously we had the 5-minute inversion, and then I had my stop loss at the body close. I had my break even here, and then I had my TP at about 1 to 1.7 to pass my account. The draws that I was targeting above this were this daily and this weekly high. Bosh. And then yeah, I ended up trying to take this. I ended up getting stopped out. Price ended up wicking me out. We ended up tapping the 30-minute, and then market ended up closing. So this was the only trade opportunity that I saw today, which is unfortunate, to be honest. So I'm down like 500 on the day. Let me just check. Yeah, I'm down 500 on the day. So there is that. But yeah, pretty midday, not very much to take, just, you know, one of those days. So there you go.